In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Hostinger AI website builder in 2024. If you're looking to create a professional and visually appealing website effortlessly, then you're in the right place. Hostinger's AI website builder is a powerful and intuitive tool designed to make website creation a breeze, even for beginners. Let's dive right in and explore how you can harness this tool to build your very own website. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Hostinger's homepage. The URL you want to type in is straightforward. Just go to home/Hostinger. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, a hub where all your website management tools are neatly laid out. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so with your Hostinger account credentials to access the full range of features. Now that you're on the Hostinger dashboard, the next step is to locate and click on the Websites option. This section is where you'll manage all aspects related to your websites. Look for the Websites menu, usually found on the left side of the dashboard. Clicking on it will take you to an overview page where all your active websites are listed. Once you've found the website you want to work on, it's time to move on to the editing phase. Look for the Edit Website button next to your chosen website. This is your gateway to customizing your site's appearance and functionality. Go ahead and click on it and you will be directed to a new interface filled with tools for personalizing your website's design. Now, let's enhance your website using the AI tools available. In the editing interface, find the AI Tools option. Clicking on this will reveal a suite of artificial intelligence-powered features that can assist you in designing your website. These tools are perfect for generating content ideas, optimizing layouts, and even suggesting design elements that best fit your brand. Take your time to explore these features. Perhaps you want to auto-generate some textual content or refine your website's images using AI suggestions. These intelligent tools are there to make the process as smooth and insightful as possible, helping you create a professional-looking website without needing extensive design skills. And that's it. That's how you can use Hostinger's AI website builder to get your website up and running in no time. This intuitive platform really empowers you to craft a site that's just as unique as your brand. So go ahead and start building today, and enjoy the ease and efficiency brought to you by Hostinger's AI technology. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Happy building!